In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize subtitles in Clipchamp 2026, step by step. Subtitles make your videos easier to watch with the sound off, improve accessibility, and keep viewers engaged, so let's set them up the right way. Start by opening Microsoft Clipchamp. Create a new video to begin a fresh project. Import your footage using the Import Media button, then drag your video onto the timeline so you can see and edit it clearly. Having your clip on the timeline is essential, because the subtitle tools respond to the selected clip there. To add subtitles, you have two paths. The fastest is auto captions. Click your video on the timeline, then look to the right panel for the Captions tab. Turn on auto captions, choose your language, and click Generate Captions. Clipchamp will analyze your audio and place text segments that line up with your speech. This is the most efficient option for most projects. If you prefer manual control, you can add subtitles yourself. Open the text panel on the left, choose a subtitle style or template you like, and drag it onto the timeline above your video. Type the words you want to display and adjust the clip's length so the text appears exactly when it's spoken. Repeat this for each line you need. Once your captions are in place, it's time to customize them. Click on any subtitle to open the styling options. Pick a font that matches your video's tone, whether modern, bold, or minimal. Set a font size that's easy to read, especially on phones. Choose a color that fits your brand or stands out, and consider adding a background highlight or a subtle, semi-transparent box to separate text from busy footage. Position your subtitles near the bottom center for a familiar look, and choose center or left alignment based on your preference. For maximum clarity, use high contrast, like white text, with a black shadow or outline. Next, refine timing and text. Click each subtitle segment and drag its edges in the timeline to tighten or extend the display. Fix any spelling errors or wording the AI may have misheard. Auto captions are fast, but they're not perfect, so a careful pass here really pays off. Now play your video to sync everything with the audio. Make sure each subtitle appears and disappears at the right moment. If a line is too long, split it into shorter clips, or extend a clip if the speech runs longer. When you're happy, export your video. Click Export at the top right. Choose a resolution like 1080p for crisp results, and download your video with the subtitles embedded. You're done. Clean, readable captions ready to share.